'cause I've been drinking that dirty.
Hello everyone, hope you're having a psychedelic day and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button and give this video a huge thumbs up. So today I'm going out of my norm and I will be doing fluid art from a dustpan. I know it's been done before. I saw one video, can't remember who the artist is, but if I can find them I will link them from this video, and was so inspired. It had such a cool effect, and of course I'm going to be doing it without Floetrol, water, or mixing medium, using paint straight from the bottle, and I am using a Craft Smart neon paint, so all the neon colors plus plum. And while doing this I am creating little layers of each color. I do this about 2 times just to make sure it is fully layered. And in case you can tell, I have no idea what I'm doing, but I am using a 16 by 20 canvas, and I'm really trying to make sure that the paint is fully even with each other, so when it comes off of the pan, it will create a really cool design. Originally, I was gonna do a straight line, but then I figured might as well very lightly move the pan around from side to side, which created a really cool zigzag look. This wasn't really planned. I was just kind of going with the design, and I think it turned out pretty cool. So this is a new setup and I'm getting used to it, so I was dragging the tripod around trying to make sure that I could get all the angles. I did find some parts of the paint didn't fully show up, but maybe that's because it was more towards the back of the pan, and I just kept creating the design until the entire canvas was complete. So at this point I kind of gave up on it being exactly even. So with this second layer you could basically tell that I was moving the pan a little bit more than I was with the first one. And I did kind of want to make sure that I wasn't scraping off the paint from the section previously, but I think it turned out pretty good. So this time around I was doing the exact same process, except I was adding some non-neon colors, which included the dark blue and ocean breeze and plum. So I did layer it how I did with the previous painting, but then I add a bright blue line straight across the dustpan. Then I added white. And then I created the exact same circles as I did before, trying to make sure that I would have enough paint to go around for the entire 16 by 20 canvas, which I'm not normally used to working with. Then I added another blue line, added some white dots, and then started layering paint around it, which included the yellow, and then I did some sprinkling of green in the plum, and then I added some pink for the final touches. And for this one I decided I was going to just drag it across the canvas. Now I would have maybe started a little bit higher up on the canvas than having, a huge gap, but I do like how this turned out. And I love how when you're looking at the dustpan you can pretty much see what is going to be coming out on the canvas. It's just a little bit more elongated and it's pretty cool. So now I'm trying to fill up the rest of the canvas, and I started doing the zigzag because I wasn't exactly sure what to do, but the end result definitely is pretty trippy, and it leaves a really cool skin in the dustpan. Thank you so much for watching and going on this new experiment of trying 16 by 20 canvases on my channel, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and don't forget to subscribe and give this video a huge thumbs up.